Ever felt like setting up powerful database software is a total headache? Or maybe you have heard all the buzz about Oracle 23 AI with the features like AI vector search and JSON relational duality and thought that's for advanced pros, not me. Well, here's the good news. You can have this next gen AI powered database up and running on your Windows system in just 4 easy steps. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have Oracle 23 AI ready to roll. No stress, no confusion, just result. Hi, hello all. Welcome to DataSurface. So if you're watching this video for the first time, I would recommend check out the previous existing videos in this particular playlist. Those will set up the foundation for this particular video. Alright, before we start clicking download buttons, let's make sure your system is ready for Oracle 23 AI. A quick checklist, or I would say prerequisites, will save you from headaches later. Let's see what are the prerequisites required for Oracle 23 AI and Windows 11. So the operating system would be Windows 10 or 11 and 64-bit is required. And the minimum, the RAM 4 GB is required, 8 GB is recommended. Disk space, keep around 15 to 20 GB free. Oracle needs that breathing room to run smoothly. And finally, administrator privileges. Make sure you are logged in as an admin or at least know the admin password. Oracle installer will need to the configure system components. Once that's all set, you are ready for the fun part, the download. Download the Oracle 23 AI with a browser window showing the official Oracle site, the highlighted the download link. Now let's grab the installer. Head over to the Oracle official download page. I have dropped the link in the description below for you. Now let's go to the Google Chrome and paste the link, or you can just simply type Oracle 23 AI free download. And you can click the second link, Oracle database software downloads, or either first link also is fine. Just a little bit go down, you can see run Oracle database 23 AI free on Windows. Just click on this. So it will download the Oracle database 23 AI software. So it might take a couple of minutes. It's downloaded now. Go to the downloads folder and bring that zip file into wherever you want to install it. I'll be bringing into the C drive. So the first step 1 and step 2 completed. Now step 3 is extract and run installer, right? So let's go to the zip folder and extract all the files from that folder. So this extracted all the files. After extraction, open the folder and you will see file name setup.exe. That's our installer. Double click it. If you see user account control pop up, go ahead and click yes. That's just Windows checking permission. Now click next and accept terms and license agreement. Then click next. And here, if you want to change this particular installation into particular folder, by default in Windows 10 or 11, if you are installing any software, it will go into the C drive, right? But if you want to change that destination, you can go ahead and change that. Like if you want to install this into a different drive. So I want to install in D drive. So let's go here and select the drive and create a new folder. Click OK. So now it's going to install into this particular folder. Click on next and give the database password. So the username will be, these are the admin accounts, right? Sys system. So password, you can keep it whatever password you are comfortable. Now click on the install. Now sit back and relax. This process might take few minutes depending on your system performance. Watch that progress bar. It's way to success. Now it's configuring the Oracle listener. Another dialog box open. Keep an eye and monitor the progress bar. So now once it is completed, it will show the success message like this. You have successfully installed Oracle 23 AI on your Windows 11. Now let's check it once. Go to the start type SQL start SQL Plus. You can open the app and you can type system and whatever the admin password you have given, give the password. It's connected, right? So now Oracle 23AI successfully installed in your Windows machine. So let's see, we will do the part B kind of we can download the SQL Developer and you can connect Oracle 23AI from the SQL Developer. Let's go to the Google Chrome and type SQL Developer download for Windows. Just clicking on the first link, Windows 64-bit with JDK 7 included, you can download it. So this is a kind of a extension for VS Code. This we can discuss later. Now the SQL Developer is downloading. Wait for a minute. So once the download completed, go to the download folder, bringing that SQL Developer folder into the same where I have installed into the Oracle. This step is not a mandatory. Even you can install it from the download folder itself. But I just want to keep it a D drive. So I just copy pasted that SQL Developer folder here. Just open that folder. You can double click on that SQL Developer. Now SQL Developer is ready. Now we can go to the connections. So these are the key parameters to connect to the Oracle 23AI. So you can just give any name, whatever you want. I'm giving Oracle 23AI, database name, username, system, and password. We can give that password. You can keep service name is free. You can just test the connection. The status is showing as a success. Now you can click on the connect. So now connection successfully established, and you can see all the tables, views, whatever is available by default as part of the Oracle 23AI, everything will present here. You want to see the tables, you can see these are the default tables are available. So that's all. In my next video, I'll show you how to create our first database, connect to it, and start experimenting with Oracle 23AI powered features. Please stay tuned. If this tutorial helped you to get Oracle 23AI up and running, give it a big thumbs up. It's really helped the channels grow. Drop a comment if you hit any blockers or if there are any other Oracle topic you would like me to cover as part of the next video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss new videos from DataSurface. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.